Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something really exciting, the top open source tools that every blue team should know about it. If you are a cybersecurity defender, whether you are just getting started or already deep into the field, these tools can make your job easier, faster, and honestly a lot more powerful. And the best part, they are absolutely free. So grab a notepad because we are about to go through them one by one, and I will also share when and why you might want to use each tool. Let's jump right into it. First, a quick refresher. In cybersecurity, the blue team is responsible for defense. They monitor systems, hunt for threats, respond to incidents, and strengthen the security of the organization. In simple words, if cybersecurity was a battlefield, the blue team would be the shield, not the sword. Now, you might be wondering why open source? Well, open source tools are not only free, but they are also backed by vibrant communities. They are constantly being improved, and you can even check the source code yourself to make sure there are no hidden surprises. Plus, open source gives you lots of flexibility. You can tweak the tools to fit your environment and your team needs. First up, Security Onion. Think of Security Onion as a full cybersecurity operations center in a box. It includes powerful tools like Zeek, Suricata, Wazuh, and it's designed for monitoring networks, detecting intrusions, and even full packet capture. If you want a one-stop solution for threat detection and hunting, Security Onion is a fantastic choice. Next, we have Wazuh. Wazuh is an open source platform that focuses on endpoint security monitoring. It helps you detect intrusion, monitor file integration, and even catch vulnerabilities across your servers and computers. And if you are working with compliance framework like PCI DSS, GDPR, Wazuh can help you meet those requirements too. Moving on to Zeek, formerly known as Bro. Zeek isn't a regular intrusion detection system. It is usually a full network analysis framework. It monitors a network traffic deeply, extracts meaningful data, and gives you a cleaner picture of what's happening beyond just basic alerts. Now let's talk about TheHive. TheHive is an incident response platform. It helps you manage investigation, assign tasks, and keep track of incidents effectively. It also integrates with threat intelligence platform like MISP, so you can enrich your investigation with external data. Next on the list is Velociraptor. Velociraptor is the fast and powerful tool for endpoint monitoring and digital forensic. Imagine needing to search across hundreds of thousands of systems to find traces of an attack. Velociraptor lets you do that quickly and scalably. Here's a tool I absolutely love, OSQuery. OSQuery turns your operating system into a database that you can query with simple SQL command. Want to find out which processes are running or which user logged in last night? Just run a quick query. Let's not forget Yara. Yara is used for writing rules to detect malware. Instead of relying only on antivirus software, you can create a custom Yara rules to hunt for specific patterns and files across your systems. Now, if you're dealing with large-scale incident you love, GRR allows you to remotely collect forensic data from thousands of machines without having to physically touch each one. Pretty awesome, right? And finally, we have Kibana. Kibana is a part of Elastic Stack, and it lets you visualize your logs and alerts, graphs, dashboard, real-time monitoring, you name it. Kibana makes spotting anomalies much easier and more intrusive. So to quick recap, Security Onion, Wazuh, Zeek, TheHive, Velociraptor, OSQuery, Yara, GRR, and Kibana are some of the best open source tools out there for the blue teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. And if you use any other open source blue team tools that you love, drop them down in the comments. I would love to hear what you're using.